Hi, welcome to the Danfoss YouTube channel. I'm Mark and today I'm going to show you how quick and easy it is to change the filter on the Danfoss BFP range of pumps, the 20s, the 41s and the 52s. Changing the filter on the pump is quick and simple. It can be done in less than a minute, and it all by using a 4mm Allen key. After loosening the cap, simply take the filter out of the pump, pull the filter from the cap and replace it with the new filter, not forgetting to change the O-ring. We recommend that you change the filter on a regular basis, otherwise you can get a build-up of dirt particles and soot within the system, and that can cost you some fuel over the year. Obviously, once you've replaced the filter, make sure you haven't left it with any leakages. Well, I hope you found this interesting. If you have, please subscribe to our channel. Thanks.